Nature is one of the thousands of blessings that God has given to His creatures. So while using and enjoying it, they should be diligent in preserving it. Nature means everything that the merciful God has given us, from the greenness and beauty of mountains, plains, and deserts, to the sea and the sunset and many other things that tongue could not describe. Watching nature is very enjoyable, from beautiful trees to colorful and fragrant flowers, beautiful animal species, wide green meadows, and towering mountains. They all invite our eyes to watch. When spring wears its green and colorful clothes, we feel relaxed when we see it, and we like to sit next to it every moment and open our tongues to describe it. When we hear the sound of rushing water, or when we see a boat riding on turbulent waves of the sea, we feel light in our hearts and how delightful it is. The sunset has its place when the sun closes its eyes after a day's journey and waves a hand as a sign of goodbye. And the face hides behind the towering mountains of the west and the black curtain of the night spreads. It's beautiful and heartwarming, its glow. On a spring morning, it was raining beautifully, and I was sitting on a wooden chair with my colored umbrella in a corner of beautiful plain and thinking about God's creation until I reached nature in front of me in my mind. What a great blessing was ahead of us! The greenness of the plain and the grass, the beautiful sound of the raindrops, and the sparrows rushing to their nests in the trees. The sound of rain and thunder covered the plain. How happily the sky sent the raindrops to the ground and wet the colorful flowers. Hours later, the rain stopped, and the sound appeared from the behind the clouds, creating a rainbow. What a lovely rainbow with indigo, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red colors. What charming colors! God, who loves beauty and has given us many blessings, and the creator of all these beauties. God's nature is full of beauty and tongue cannot express them. Human loves nature very much, but we harm it more than all other creatures. We should respect and value nature like any other living being. Let us remember that we are responsible for God's blessing, and God asks us for those blessings.